American witch hazel, Hamamelis virginiana, is a captivating native shrub that graces gardens with its fragrant spidery blooms and vibrant fall foliage. To cultivate this unique plant and enjoy its beauty throughout the seasons, here's a comprehensive guide on growing and caring for American witch hazel. 1. Site selection. Choose a location that receives dappled sunlight to partial shade. American witch hazel thrives in areas with well-draining soil and can tolerate various soil types. 2. Planting. Plant American witch hazel in early spring or fall when the weather is mild. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball. Place the shrub in the hole at the same depth it was in its nursery container. Fill the hole with soil, tamp it down gently, and water thoroughly. 3. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the plant's establishment period. Once mature, American witch hazel is relatively drought tolerant, but regular watering during dry spells promotes healthy growth. 4. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the shrub to retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and inhibit weed growth. Maintain a gap between the mulch and the stem to prevent moisture-related issues. 5. Pruning. Prune American witch hazel sparingly, if at all. Remove dead or damaged branches in late winter or early spring. Minimal pruning helps maintain the shrub's natural shape. 6. Blooming and fragrance. American witch hazel's unique blooms appear in late fall and early winter, offering a delightful fragrance and a burst of color in your garden. 7. Fall foliage. Appreciate the brilliant display of yellow to orange foliage that American witch hazel showcases in the autumn, adding a warm and inviting touch to your landscape. 8. Pest and disease management. This shrub is generally resilient against pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common garden pests and address any issues promptly with natural or organic methods. 9. Wildlife attraction. American witch hazel's late-season blooms provide a valuable nectar source for pollinators, especially during cooler months when other food sources are scarce. 10. Companion planting. Pair American witch hazel with shade-loving plants that complement its unique qualities. Consider creating woodland-themed garden beds for a harmonious landscape. 11. Native plant benefits. Cultivating native plants like American witch hazel contributes to a healthier ecosystem, supports local wildlife, and often requires less maintenance. 12. Winter care. In colder climates, American witch hazel is hardy. Applying a layer of mulch around the base before winter helps protect the plant's roots from extreme cold. 13. Appreciating the beauty. As your American witch hazel flourishes, take time to observe its seasonal transformations and the wildlife it attracts. This unique shrub adds charm and ecological value to your garden. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow and care for American witch hazel, enjoying its captivating blooms, stunning foliage, and the benefits it brings to your outdoor space.